In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enroll and unenroll contacts in sequences using workflows in HubSpot, step by step, in a way that's simple and beginner-friendly. If you're new to automation, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to control who enters a sequence and when they're removed from it. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the Automation section and click on Workflows. This is where you can build automated processes that run in the background for you. Next, open the workflow you want to edit. You can either choose an existing workflow or create a new one if needed. For this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one ready. Inside the workflow editor, you'll see a visual layout of your automation steps. To enroll contacts into a sequence, click the plus icon to add a new action. This is how you tell the workflow what to do next. When the action panel opens, look for the option related to sequences. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it faster. Choose the action that says Enroll in Sequence. After selecting it, you'll need to pick the specific sequence you want contacts to enter. Once selected, review the settings to make sure everything looks correct. Then save the action. Now, let's talk about unenrolling contacts. Sometimes you don't want a contact to continue receiving emails in a sequence. Maybe they replied, booked a meeting, or became a customer. To remove them automatically, add another action in your workflow. Click the plus icon again, search for the sequence option, and this time choose Unenroll from Sequence. Select the appropriate sequence and save your changes. Finally, make sure your workflow is turned on. If it's not activated, none of these actions will run. That's it. You've now learned how to automatically enroll and unenroll contacts in sequences using workflows in HubSpot. This gives you better control over your communication and helps you send the right messages at the right time. And that's how you enroll and unenroll contacts in sequences using workflows in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.